I'll guide you through how to remove iCloud from iPhone without a password while not risking the dreaded permanent activation lock. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. If you are the owner of the account and simply forgot the password, the most straightforward approach is to reset it. You will need access to a trusted phone number or email address associated with the account. Go to the official Apple account page at iforgotthatapple.com. Enter your Apple ID email address to begin account recovery. Follow the prompts to reset the password using your trusted phone number or email. Once you have a new password, go to Settings, tap your name at the top. Select Sign Out to sign out completely, enabling you to sign in with your newly recovered account. Another method is to contact Apple support. If you cannot recover the account credentials and are the original owner of the device, Apple can help you remove the activation lock. You must provide official proof of purchase documentation that includes the device's serial number, IMEI, or MEID. Here's how. Using a web browser, contact Apple support directly via alsupport.apple.com. Under Start an Activation Lock Support Request, click your type of iPhone, personal or business. Scroll down, agree to Apple's terms, and click Continue. Enter your email and the IMEI or MEID of the iPhone. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Continue. Provide the necessary documentation, then submit it for their review. If approved, Apple will remove the iCloud activation lock. Successfully removing iCloud activation lock restores full functionality to your device while preserving the security model that protects your personal data. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.